Hello children, in this video you will learn how to install Scratch 1.4 and a brief introduction on creating animation in Scratch 1.4. So first let's see how to install Scratch 1.4.
In the search bar of your browser, type the words download Scratch. Press enter. Now you can see over here Scratch 1.4. Okay, you're supposed to click on this link. Okay, the name of the site to download is scratch.mit.edu. So this link you're supposed to click on. So after clicking that link, you can see this page is opened. Okay, now we want to install Windows Scratch. Okay, so now click on this link over here. In this is Windows Scratch, and you have to use this link to install the software. Click on this link now, and you can see that it is downloading the exe file over here. You need to wait for a while. Can you see now the download is over? Okay, now you can go to your downloads folder and check. This is my downloads folder. I'll click on it and you can see that this has been downloaded. This is the installer. So what you need to do now is just double click on it. Over here you can see this dialog box appears. Just click on next. You can give the destination address over here. I'm not going to change the destination address. In program files it's going to save it. So I'll click on next. If you want, you can click on browse and change the path, but I'll click on next here. Okay, again click on next. Okay, it has extracted all the files now and the installation is completed. Click on next again. Again click on finish now. So as soon as you click on finish, the installed program is opened. Okay, so this is your Scratch window. You can maximize it. So this is your Scratch window, and on the desktop also you can see that the Scratch icon appears over here. So whenever you want to start Scratch, you can double click on this icon and you can open Scratch. Okay children?
Now children, do you know what Scratch is? Scratch is a programming language that can create interactive stories or animation. Scratch was developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT Media Lab. Okay, now this is the Scratch window, children. The Scratch window is divided into three distinct sections. This first section is called as the block palette. This second section is the script editor, where you will be placing all your scripts. And this third section is the stage, where your animation will be prepared. The size of this stage, children, is 480 units wide and 360 units tall. So there are total 8 blocks in the block palette over here. So when I select or click on any one block name, the scripts related to that block appears in the palette. So when I click on motion, I can see all the scripts available in the motion block. Now children, on the stage you can see this is a sprite. Okay, this object, this cat object is a sprite. It is called as a sprite. I can move its location. Okay, now whatever commands we are going to give the commands to this sprite. Children, you all have done programming in Logo, isn't it? All the commands given in Logo are given to the turtle to act. Similarly, in Scratch, we give the command to the sprite to act. Okay. So right now, by default on the stage, a cat sprite is there. If you want, you can change the sprite. I'll teach you how to change the sprite in the next video. So now presently we'll prepare a small animation just to move this cat. Okay. So I will use the motion block. In the motion block, I'll click on this move script, press the left key, keep it pressing and drag the script in the script editor. Now this script is to move 10 steps. So the cat will move 10 steps. Suppose if I want to change the number of steps, if I want to make it 80, okay, so I can double click inside and I can change the number. So move 80 steps. So the cat will move 80 steps. And after moving, I want the cat to say something. What I'll do, I'll click on looks block. In the looks block, you can see all the scripts related to that block. So here there's say. So now I'll click on this say and I'll drag it and drop it here. So say hello. So the cat is going to say hello. But when is it going to do all this? It should do this when I click on this green flag, isn't it? So when it should do, I have to control the flow of statement. So when it should do this, it should do when I click on green flag, isn't it? So I'll click on this control over here and I'll drag this when green flag clicked. Okay, I'll drag this here and attach it over here. So when the green flag is clicked, the cat will move 80 steps and say hello. Okay, children. Now let's run this animation and see. So now what I'll do, I'll click on this green flag. See? Can you see? When I clicked on the green flag, the cat moved 80 steps and it said hello. Okay. So this way, children, you can create animations in Scratch. Thank you, children.